Why would the insurance company deny my claim even though there were several witnesses who saw me get hurt at work? Hi, I'm Jody Ginsburg, and I want to answer your question for you. Workers' compensation in Georgia is very, very adversarial. The employers and the insurance companies look for ways to not accept claims in many occasions. I'm not going to say all of them, but on many occasions, they want to figure out a way to not pay a claim. Why? Because first, they'll figure you'll go away. No, it's not worth me pursuing. Secondly, because it saves them money. The longer this proceeds and goes on and on and on, the longer they get to keep their money, meaning they're not paying your medical bills. And if you're out of work or they don't have a light duty job, they're not paying your weekly benefit checks. And therefore, they're keeping their money and they're investing that money. And they're not paying it to you, and they're not paying to the doctors who are trying to treat you. So they have a vested interest in denying claims. And they also probably know down the road that there's a high likelihood that even though there are witnesses to your claim, if the employer strong arms those witnesses, threatens those witnesses with losing their job, those witnesses may not be beneficial to you, even though they saw you get hurt and they watched it happen, whatever happened to you. So it's unfortunate, but that's many, many times what goes on in a workers' comp case. The way you fight back is to be your own advocate, to push the claim, to request medical care and demand medical care, to, if you're unable to work or you're put on light duty and the employer doesn't have light duty, request those benefits. Most cases, you're going to need a lawyer to help you do that. It's very difficult to break that barrier with the employer and the insurance company. We've been doing this for 38 plus years, and we're happy to help you help yourself in pursuing your claim, getting the benefits that are owed to you, and eventually, if the case is proper to settle, getting a settlement. If you want to speak with me, please give me a call, 770-351-0801. Thank you.
Hi, this is Jody, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about all rights and benefits available to you under the Georgia Workers' Injury Laws, I'd like to invite you to download my Georgia Workers' Compensation Survival Kit that I created for folks just like you. Some of the topics I cover include: can I get fired for filing a work injury claim? 8 critical mistakes to avoid. Is it true that the insurance company will hire a private investigator to follow me